We have given that measure of angle CDA is 70 degrees. So this angle has 70 degrees. We have to find angle BDA. And what else we have given? That angle CDB is 2x plus 17 degrees, and angle BDA has 5x minus 17 degrees. So we have unknown x. We have to find this unknown x to find the measure of angle BDA. Because B is interior point, it means is between points that lay on each side of the angle. We can write that measure of angle CDA is sum of two angles CDB and BDA. D is our vertex of our angle. So we have that measure of angle CDA is equal to sum of angles M, measure of angle CDB, plus measure of angle BDA. What we can do now? We can substitute measure of angle CDA by 70 degrees because this is given. So we have 70 degrees is equal, and measure of angle CDB is 2x plus 17 degrees plus measure of angle BDA is 5x minus 17 degrees. So let's forget about degrees now and solve this equation because we have only one unknown x. So we can find this x. We have on the left side 70. This is equal. We will have 2x plus 17 plus, and we have 5x minus 17. So 17 and 17 we can reduce, and we have 70 is equal 2x plus 5x is 7x. Because we have multiplication on the right side, so we can divide by 7 both sides, and we can reduce 70 with 7 will be 10. So, and 7 and 7, so we have that x is equal 10. So now we can come back to our expression of angle BDA because we have to find the measure of this angle. We have that measure of angle BDA is equal 5x minus 70 degrees. So this is equal now, because we found that x is equal 10, we can substitute this x. So we have 5 times 10 minus 17 degrees. So this is equal 50 minus 17. So this is equal 33 degrees. So we found that our angle BDA has 33 degrees. This is my solution.